Have you ever wondered why your games feel slow even when you get sky-high FPS? Well, it could be because of frame time issues. Basically, frame time is the time it takes to render a frame on your favorite game. And the FPS we know is the total number of frames rendered in 1 second. Now, if your frame time is inconsistent, new frames are rendered ever so slightly out of order. It causes the game to feel choppy or laggy even when FPS is high. Now, there are a few ways to get the frame time to be as smooth as possible. The easiest way is to enable V-Sync. V-Sync locks the frame rate to a desired amount, making frames render evenly. But the downside is it increases input latency, so it's not ideal for competitive games. The best solution, in my opinion, is to use a software to cap the frame time to a desired amount. In this case, I will show you how to use RivaTuner to cap the frame time so frames are rendered evenly. Okay, the first step is to go and download MSI Afterburner that includes RivaTuner. Next, extract the archive somewhere and run the setup. In this case, you don't need the Norton software, so uncheck that. Next, go to Install, and once it's done installing, you will see RivaTuner running on your taskbar. Now let's open RivaTuner. You will get this screen. Now over here, click on the text that says Frame Rate Limit. You will see once you click it, it changes to Frame Time Limit. Okay, let's put it back to Frame Rate Limit. Now on the box here, enter the frame rate you want your game to be capped at. In my case, I have a 60 Hz monitor, so I will set the limit to 60. Once you enter that, click on the frame rate limit text, and you will see our frame rate gets converted to frame time. Now all you have to do is keep running RTSS on the background, and it will automatically cap the frame time to your settings, and you will notice that frame times are smoothed out. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. As always, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.